Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Yeezy 700 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West. These released on Saturday the 23rd of February and it comes with your usual Yeezy 700 brown slide out cardboard box. Pretty standard, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Yeezy 700 Salt. I want to take a quick second to say thank you to the guys of our Offspring for the raffle win, and this is the third Yeezy 700 version 1 colorway, after the OG Grey and the Mauve. This name may sound familiar because it's actually the second Salt colorway following the Yeezy 500 that released back in late November 2018. Psst, I made videos on all these Yeezys, so you might want to check them out. Shameless plug. Like the Salt 500, it has an all grey, suede and leather upper. But what's nice is the suede hits add a subtle beige twist to the monotone design. Black accents can be seen at the heel or the midsole, as well as the black jigsaw puzzle inspired boost outsole. One thing I did notice compared to the 500 Salts is that this has a more greenish, almost teal tint to it, while the original Salts had a bluish tint to them. Apart from that, the colour is very similar and is more of a dark grey. Some people say these are boring. I say it's more clean and simple. This is coming from the guy who has 7 pairs of grey New Balances, as well as the static 700s, and I even look forward to the Inertia 700, which is kind of like a greyish blue, as well as the True Form 350s. Let's just say I'm really into my grey sneakers. To make things easier, there are 4 great things I like about this shoe. 1 is the simple colourway, it's easy to style. 2, it's easy to get, Yeezys for everyone. 3, these are super comfortable. And finally 4, these are well made. No glue stains, stitching errors or any other defects. So yes, I do understand that £250 or $300 is a lot to pay, but to me it's worth it. It's a premium price for a premium shoe. You don't have to buy it, but if you're interested in picking up your first Yeezy, I'll say go for these rather than paying a lot more resale for the previous models. But I do prefer the upcoming Inertias because I feel like they're a bit more interesting. Fingers crossed I will be able to pick these up for next week. But back to these, sizing wise they fit just like the Mauve with that elasticated band attached to the tongue. So it feels a little bit more snug compared to the first Yeezy 700. So I'll recommend going up half a size or staying true to size if you have, slimmer, narrow feet. So I hope that helped. Here are my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did you pick these up? Did you pass? Did you miss out? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment salty to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Heartface. I sell my stuff for an app called Depop, so you might want to follow me on there too. As usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.